Hello.
May I come in?
Yes, you may. Hello.
Hello.
Can I have your card, please?
Yes, here you are.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Stuart Mitchell. What's your name?
My name is Joji Matsuda.
Oh, great. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm terrific, thank you. How did you come here today?
I walked here.
Okay, great. This is the grade 3 test, okay?
Okay.
And we're going to start the test now.
All right.
So, here is your card.
Oh, thank you.
Please read the passage silently for 20 seconds. Now please read the passage aloud.
Bird watching. There are many birds in the forests and mountains around Japan. Bird watching is fun and relaxing, so it is a popular hobby for many people. There are bird watching tours for every season.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask you 5 questions.
Okay.
Question 1. Please look at the passage. Why is bird watching a popular hobby for many people?
Because it is fun and relaxing.
Okay. Question 2. Please look at the picture. How many birds are there in the sky?
There are 3 birds in the sky.
Great. Question 3. Please look at the woman with a hat. What is she going to do?
She is going to give the man the camera.
Okay. Now, Mr. Matsuda, please turn over the card. You may place it here.
Okay.
Question 4. What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually go to the park.
Okay. Question 5. Do you like studying English?
Yes, I do.
Please tell me more.
I started studying English when I was in elementary school. No,
Why not?
it's too difficult.
Okay. This is the end of the test. You may leave now.
Oh, thank you. It was nice meeting you.
It was nice to meet you as well. See you.
See you.